What is going on, guys? Cesar here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money with ClickFunnels. Now let me show you my screen, and I'm using ClickFunnels for my affiliate marketing business. I have here all the funnels I'm using. For example, the 5-second silent method is for the Freedom Accelerator program. I have also email list training, so these are some pages that I send to my email list, in which I put videos and also buttons below the videos. I have my free affiliate marketing training. This is for legendary marketer, the perfect affiliate marketing funnel. Also, the 7 steps to become a super affiliate. Here I'm promoting Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. As well, I have the 3-day white label. So this is the white label of the Freedom Breakthrough. Basically, I have here the lessons that I can promote. And I have the latest one is for my Spanish YouTube channel, because Spanish is my native language. So I'm collecting leads from my YouTube Spanish channel, and I have an opt-in page that I'm promoting in that channel. So which is really great because I'm talking about affiliate marketing but in Spanish. Now let me show you the first one, the 5-second silent method, and you're going to see that this funnel is very simple, and also I'm going to share with you my stats. You can see in the screen that this funnel only has 2 pages, an opt-in page and a thank you page. I'm going to click here so you can see the stats, and I'm going to put this month, January 23. Let me put here January 1st to January 29. I'm going to click here, apply filter, and you're going to see the opt-in rate of this simple page. So it has 30% opt-in rate. So that means that if 100 people click on my page, basically I'm collecting 34 emails using this funnel. Now I'm using Getresponse to store all my emails from ClickFunnels, and this is one of the most powerful things you can do in your affiliate business, is to build an automation workflow. And I'm going to show you this one for the Freedom Accelerator. So basically you can put here all your emails, and when someone opting in your funnel, is going to be stored in Getresponse, and Getresponse is going to send all these emails automatically to your subscribers. For example, you can see I have here 2 emails. If someone is subscribed to the Freedom Accelerator list, Getresponse is going to send automatically these 2 messages, the Caesar free welcome message and welcome message my own story. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send this message. I can keep uploading emails into this automation workflow so I can help my subscribers to achieve the goal they want. Now, one of the best things that you can do to collect these emails is to use TikTok. Now, this is my TikTok account. I have 831 subscribers, and the thing here is to keep uploading content every single day. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers, you are going to be able to put here your affiliate link or the link of your funnel. And some people are going to click on your funnel, and they are going to put their information because they need the products that you're promoting, because they want to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to point B. Let me show you other strategy you can use to drive traffic to your funnel, and I'm talking about YouTube, for example. And this is a really powerful strategy if you want to grow your YouTube channel, guys, because you need tools and you need the right frameworks if you want to achieve that goal. For example, if I write on YouTube how to make money with ClickFunnels in 2023, you're going to see all of these videos. But here I have installed this software on my YouTube account, and I can see all the stats. For example, the search volume, for that key phrase, the competition. Now I'm going to click here for the weighted score, and basically that means how good is that title for my YouTube channel. Now let me show you. You can see here I have the unweighted. This is practically the average of all YouTube channels on YouTube, and the weighted is for my own channel. And as you can see, this title, How to Make Money with ClickFunnels in 2023, it has 85 of score. So this is excellent for my YouTube channel. So that means that if I record a video and talk about this subject and use this title in my video, I'm going to have a high probability that the video rank in the first top results. Also, this software is telling me that the search volume is fair, so that means that it doesn't have like a lot of people searching for this keyword. The competition is excellent for my channel, and the optimization strength is excellent. So that means I need to optimize my video with this keyword in the descriptions, in the tags, and the titles. If I click here on results, you're going to see that this channel, Mr. Money, owns 3 of the 20 search results, and my channel is owning 2 videos of the 20 results. Now I'm going to scroll down this so you can see. So this is, I'm in the 7th spot for this keyword, How to Make Money Online with ClickFunnels 2.0 in 2023 for beginners. So this is my channel, and also let me scroll down a little bit, and I have this YouTube short, How to Make Money with ClickFunnels in 2023. And this is a really great way you can use to grow your YouTube channel, because it's going to take time to record the videos, but more importantly, you need to know that the information that you are sharing, people are going to watch it, because you can record almost anything on YouTube, but you are not going to grow your channel if people aren't searching for that information. So that is huge, guys. This is important, guys, because I wasted like 1 year uploading content in YouTube, and I didn't grow because I didn't have the right frameworks to grow my channel. And as you can see, I have a small YouTube channel, but it's growing slowly but surely. And as you get better and better every day recording your videos and uploading videos on your channel, you're going to have more authority, and YouTube is going to suggest your videos to more audiences. So I think this is a really great strategy you can use if you have a small YouTube channel and you don't know what to do. Now, when people click here on my video, as you can see in the screen, I have in the description this link, which is the link of my funnel. Also, I have here tools and resources, and when people click here, they are going to go to my website, and I have there my affiliate links for ClickFunnels, Getresponse, Wealth Affiliate, and Tubebbudy. Tubebbudy is a software that I use to do my keyword research. So I hope that this information helped you in your journey. And if you like it, subscribe to my channel, because I'm uploading videos almost every single day. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.